So, children, have you ever eaten a dish made of bamboo? Let's read this picture story and find out which part of bamboo can be cooked and eaten. So, children, what is a bamboo? As you can see in this picture, this is bamboo grass. Bamboo is a tall tropical grass with hard and hollow stems. Bamboo is a tall tropical grass with hard and hollow stems. So, in this story, we will read about how bamboo curry is made and its taste. Now, bamboo curry. Listen to the story very carefully, children. One day, the mother-in-law of a Santhal bridegroom cooked a special dish for him when he visited her. So one day what happened, mother-in-law of Santhal means tribal people who live mainly in Bihar in northeastern India. So tribal people who live in Bihar in northeastern India are called as Santhal. So there was one bridegroom of that community, and his mother-in-law cooked a special dish for him when he visited her house. Now, what did he cook? What did she cook? This curry is delicious. What is it? So, bridegroom asked to his mother-in-law that this curry is very delicious. What you have cooked? The mother-in-law pointed at the bamboo door. So, mother-in-law, as you can see in this picture, mother-in-law is cooking special curry of bamboo, made of bamboo shoot. So, bridegroom find out that the curry is very delicious. Now what happened next? Next morning, just as he was about to leave, he remembered that there was no bamboo in his village. So in this Santhal bridegroom's village, there was no bamboo. So he was very worried as he wanted to eat bamboo curry again. Now what did this boy did? So he removed the bamboo door and carrying it with him left for his home. He take out that bamboo door from his mother-in-law's house and carried it with to his home. Now on reaching his village, he told his wife, make curry with this bamboo door. Her wife was very shocked. And she said, how can she make curry out of a bamboo door? She said, how can I make curry out of a bamboo door? I don't know how to make it. So the man said, I will help you chopping up the bamboo. So he cut out the bamboo door. Now when his wife boiled it, and later when her husband tasted it, he said, it is too hard to eat. Then he said to his wife, you don't know how to cook it. His wife added more water and boiled it, but it's still too hard. And he said that he can't eat it. Now, in the same day in evening, the in-laws came to visit the young couple, and they all laughed at his foolishness. Foolishness means stupidity. So, all his in-laws in the evening came at this man's house, and they all laughed at his stupidity. Why? The mother-in-law said Didn't you know the curry was made from bamboo shoot? So mother-in-law said that curry was made from bamboo shoot, not from a bamboo door. So what is a bamboo shoot, children? Bamboo shoot is a young shoot of bamboo eaten as vegetable. A bamboo shoot is a young shoot of bamboo and it is eaten as vegetable then. So what do you get by the story? What is the moral of the story? That we should use the right thing at the right time and place for the better results. That we should use right thing at right time and right place so that we should obtain better results. So I hope you like this story, children. Thank you and have a good day. Bye bye. Take care.